I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by meeting the key prerequisites: durable gear, a pegged waypoint, and a calibrated bearing. Once ready, move to the southern scree field and plant your first anchor. This secures the low-angle approach. You should test the rope at body weight before committing, because failure here costs time. Make small, deliberate climbs of 5 to 10 meters, placing protection every 2-3 paces. This conservative pacing builds momentum and prevents backtracking when you hit the steeper bands above. Once through the lower slopes, you transition to the complex middle. The ridgeline demands continuous protection and route reading. Move in short, efficient steps and keep your center of gravity low. This reduces slip risk on 30 degrees faces. Place climbing hooks at regular 1, 2, 1, 5-meter intervals and clip runners to limit fall distance. Make sure to scan for cairns and mineral streaks that indicate the safest line, and pause every 100 meters to reassess weather, stamina, and rope integrity before committing to. You reach the final crest by committing to a controlled chimney move. Keep hips close, use opposing handholds, and feed rope slowly. Once atop, immediately build a solid summit anchor and test it with body weight. This protects your final belay and descent. Pack essentials and signal if extraction is required. If things go wrong, if weather closes or gear fails, descend using the marked 0. 5 km radial route you created earlier, maintain conservative rappels, and stop every anchor to reevaluate before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.